Hello all, it's Jamie here from Craftmania and look what I've got! I love a big box like this because it means that we have a new stand to bring to you here at Craftmania. Now you might have watched our unboxing the other day of a DMC stand that come preloaded. I'm hoping this one isn't preloaded, I don't think it is, but if it is we might have a bit of picking up to do. Shall we have a little look and see what we can reveal today? Oh, it's empty, that's okay. So in our big box today, we have got a brand new metal stand for you. Let's get rid of the scissors, so I'm not actually trying to hold three things at once. But we have a brand new stand. He says, why do we film these things in life? Why do we share this with you? I have no idea. But we have a brand new stand for you to come in store and find what we're going to be on. Looks a bit messy, doesn't it? But it will be neater, I promise. I have a feeling, and you're not going to watch me get these because of, some things don't need to be shared. But in the bottom of the wheels, there are wheels. They will come out at some point. But of course, it's all about what's going to go on it. And I have a feeling we're going to find that in these boxes down here. So come with me while we unbox these 3 boxes and see what we can find. Now, as always, by the time you are watching this, that stand's going to be much cleaner, then wheels are going to be back on it, and whatever's in this box is going to be loaded onto it. But not only that, you will also be able to go onto the website and find all of the goodies we are going to be unboxing for you as well. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, I expected this box to be what was going on that. This ain't going on that. Maybe it's going to be that box. So stick with us, and we'll get there eventually. In this box, what we have for you is more of our colouring book. Now, these have been so super duper popular. These are only £2 each. There is lots of designs of them. They have flown out the door at super quick speed. So we have more of them back in stock for you. Colouring is a very on-trend item at the moment for adults, more so actually than children currently, and people are using their posh alcohol markers, they're using all of their different fancy acrylic markers, and now doing amazing effects with them. Now, if you have a little look on the reverse of these, you're going to see a few of the designs that are in each of them. I will take you through a little flick through of one of the books in a moment, but let's see if we can find all of the different designs for you. Now, as I say, these are only £2 each, which is silly money in comparison to some brands that have these available currently. Not only some brands, there are other brands doing these, but also some people who have these ones available for you. I have seen this exact book retailing up to £6 at different stockists. So for us to be able to bring these to you at just £2 per book is slightly bonkers. But you know us here at Craftmania, if we can bring you a bargain, we are absolutely going to do that, because we really do feel that it's our job to make sure you're not paying over the odds of your crafty goodies. Whether that is a colouring book, whether that is a die, whether that is a stamp, it doesn't matter. Now, as you can see, we are going right the way through a whole array of designs here. I will see if I can get some of these a bit closer to you in just a second. Now, we're ending here on the Corners of Life booklet. So let's have a little look in one of these, shall we? And give you a glimpse of what your £2 is going to purchase you. So as you can see, does it give us numbers? Well, there's loads. Let's not even worry about the numbers. Let's look through it. You can see there are absolutely loads of designs in here, going all the way through. Really nice quality paper, all single-sided, so you don't have to worry about if your pens of choice do leak through. And if you wish to frame them, you can take them out without having to worry that you're kind of picking a favourite design. Each one of them is single-sided. There is absolutely loads of different images running through here. Now, as always, if you spend over £15 with us at Craftmania, your UK P&P is completely free. And that doesn't just mean, of course, on this product. We stock over 10,000 different product lines for you here in store and online. All the same offers apply in store and online as well. And of course, don't forget, on top of that, you're going to get your inner circle reward points too. You've probably got the idea by now. There is literally loads and loads of scenes, loads of images running through here for you to be able to colour in. As I say, this truly is, if you're not kind of up with it, if you haven't seen it on TikTok and Instagram more so, this is a really popular hobby at the moment with adults, is colouring in and bringing those pictures to life as a bit of a stress reliever and a fun process. And then if you're a card maker, a lot of people are taking those images and putting them onto our cards as well, because they're fun images, they're colourful images, they're playful images, and they cover so many topics too. Now, as we move into our fourth box, maybe? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, fourth box. I think this is going to be the box that's going to give us the goodies for the stand. Now, what's this? Oh, this is a little header telling you what's coming. Let's have a little look. Oh, stickers. I love stickers. Do you know what? I've never grown out of stickers. I adore a sticker. Whether they are fun, playful stickers like these, whether they're going to go into my scrapbook albums, whether they're going to go onto my cards, whether I'm going to use them for behaviour charts, whether they're just fun little things I'm going to hand out as gifts, stick on phone cases, decorate my phone case with, all of those different items that we can do with them. And in this little box and bag, I have a feeling we are going to find hundreds of designs of them. You're going to have really fun, playful ones like these. You're going to have animals. You've got numbers there. You've got safari animals. We've got owls. We've got sharks. Now, each one of these, oh, we've got reptiles. Look at those snakes, oh dearie. Crocodiles on this one. Each one of these sticker sheets, recommended retail price is £1. Here at Craftmania, we also have 10% off of these as an introductory offer. So you are going to be able to get each one of these for just 90 pence a sheet. On top of that, of course, you're going to get your inner circle reward points. Look at the meerkats. How cute are the meerkats? Then planets and solar systems are going to come in nicely. We've got tigers. All these are good for our journalers and our scrapbookers. Big, bulky alphabets, spiders, hearts, pretty cats. You know I love a cat. Lovely little cute cats as well. Now, we might have to move on to another pile somewhere else because I've got a lot of these to go through as we dig through this box. Oh, my goodness. Look at the little turtles. They're cute. Then we've got monkeys. We have got little, like ponies. We've got ladybugs, we've got trains, we've got stars, good for Christmas coming up. We've got pirates, oh, we've got alphabets, we've got little construction vehicles, we've got football players, more numbers, we've got racing cars, we've got little safari animals, we've got well done stars, we've got little ducks, look at the little ducks, they're cute. Then we've got more wildlife animals, we've got penguins and polar bears, we've got flowers, we've got fishies, we've got big hearts, we've got balloons. They're going to be nice for your birthday cards. Some more animals, some more cartoony animals, some more teddy bears, helicopters and fire machines, fire engines even. Big red hearts, they're going to be good for Valentine's Day. Cute holographic butterflies, more pretty cats in hearts, little dogs, stars, moons. We're not even touching the surface. There is so many of these. There is hundreds. I have a feeling we might have seen these. Let's have a little look. I think we might be getting to the point of doubling up on some of these. So let's have a little look. Oh, we've got dinosaurs. We've not had dinosaurs already, have we? We've got smiley faces as well. We've got feet. That's not one I predicted. We've got stars. And then let's have a little look. Is this the stage? Oh, I think we might be getting to the doubles now. So you've seen these ones. Although I don't know, did we have elephants? I don't remember elephants. Let's have a little look at the cute elephants. And then, oh, yes, I think now we might be, oh, I don't know, because we didn't have tanks, did we? They're cool. Look at the tanks. How are we doing in this side? Oh, there's another new one, more hearts for you. I don't think we've seen them numbers. Did we have trains? I don't know if we've had trains, so I'll show you those in case. And then we've got lots of these because, as you can see, I kind of fell in love. Get a bit carried away sometimes. When we get to see new product, I'm like, do you know what? I can see how I'm going to use these. These are going to be playful. These are going to be fun. I'm going to use these in my albums. I'm going to use these on my cards. I know you as crafters are going to love them. I also know you've got lots of grandchildren and children that may also really appreciate having stickers, reward charts, fun things that they're going to do with them as well. Now, I think these ones are our doubles of my most favourite popular ones I feel are going to be happening. Now, don't forget, all of those are available with that extra 10% off on your stickers. So they're only £1 a sheet, down to 90p with your 10% off. And then there are some new colouring books. If you've seen those ones before, do not fear, there are 2 new ones for you as well. The Secret Flower Garden is a brand new addition for you. I'm going to show you the picture on the reverse of that one so you can see a glimpse of what you're going to be getting inside it. And then this one is also new. This one is the Flower Garden Bliss. And again, we'll give you a little glimpse on the back of that one. What's also nice with these new ones is they're a different size. They're a rectangle instead of a square style image for you, where the originals are all of those square ones. Now, as always, you can find all of these goodies in store at Craftmania, which is located at 5 Hewett Road, Gapton Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk, and we are open from 10 AM to 5 PM 7 days a week. Alternatively, you can pop onto the website www.craftmaniacrafts.com. You'll find all of the new stickers under the new gallery. You'll find our colouring books under the back in stock category. You can of course also shop for them by brand. These are all brought to you by a brand called Casa, K-A-S-S-A, if I remember rightly. You'll find that on the brand page if you would prefer to go and shop by brand. We carry over 10,000 items online and in store. If you get stuck, you need help, you need a direct link, we've got any questions at all we can answer for you, just let us know in the comments. We'll do our very best to answer them. Thank you very much for watching today's very exciting unboxing. I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.